Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is day number 52, and we're covering events that occurred on the 21st of October 2022. So I don't have much to talk about for yesterday. I did my exercise, 45 minutes with a 4-minute jog, took my daughter to school, went to the gym, did some remote wellness academy course, and then I played a game and mostly just relaxed yesterday, and just been kind of in the funk lately. But I made this video also yesterday for the day before for day 51. So that's basically it. I don't have much to talk about today, but to keep the consistency going, just had made this video. Now, coming up, we're going to be going through open season. I should be working ACA cases, so it'll be like a 6-week sprint. So I'm just kind of relaxing right now, taking it easy the next couple of days, because that really mad dash for that 6-week period where it's open season, it's going to be a lot of work. So that's all I got. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.